Hello, all of you beautiful souls. I am Priestess LaMeel. Welcome to the Manifesting Miracles series on LaMeel TV. If you are new here, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you get all of the notifications when I upload weekly. If this is the first video that you've watched in this series, please stop here, go back, start with video 1, because this is a series that builds upon one another in the practice of manifesting miracles. Today's topic is about releasing in phases. So different phases that you're going to do releasing in. We are at the end of this series. We're on day 18. There's only 20 days in the series, and towards the end is really where you want to dig in with faith. So it might be a good idea, if your manifestation hasn't fully come to fruition yet, go back and watch the video on faith. I will try to link that below because I don't remember which one that is, but it's about believing and making space and holding the space for miracles, right? Because it's only faith when it hasn't happened, right? Because if it's already happened, you don't really have to believe because it's already there. Like, if I ask you for $1 million and you're like, here it is, I didn't have to have faith because it came that instantly. Faith kicks in when it looks like it's not going to happen. You don't know how it's going to happen, that type of thing. So dig into your faith right now if it hasn't come. If only a portion of it has come, you know, to fruition, keep doing what you're doing. Keep shifting back into alignment, shifting back into alignment. It will come. Hold your faith. Now, the things that now is the time to start releasing the other things that are coming up in this process. Now that you're close to the end, new things come up, right? Because we're like an onion, and you just keep peeling back the layers, and you keep peeling back the layers, and you're getting rid of the layers that don't serve you. So the different types of things that I want to talk to you about that may come up is like, what if this doesn't happen again? Go back and watch the other video. Am I good enough? If you're starting to feel like I'm not really worthy of this, then you need to go and watch some of my worthiness videos. And I think I have even a worthiness tapping session here on LaMeel TV. So you need to start examining what's coming up for you now and start releasing those things. Don't hold on. Now is the time to open up, completely surrender, and completely release. Let it all go. Give it to God. You know, people say that all the time. Like, put it in God's hands. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? If I don't get it, remember, having an attachment to what it is that you're wanting is a surefire way not to get it. So you need to desire it, ask for it, put your manifestation practice into play, and release it. Excuse me. Then everything that comes up regarding what you possibly cannot have or why you can't have what you want, those things get dismissed, and you get dismissed, and some stuff may come and it be heavy, and you got to let it go. Acknowledge it. Acknowledge it. Is this fucking true? No, it's not true. Let it go. You don't have to hold on to it, and you can let things go at whatever level, whatever phase that you're in right now, easily. There are times when every time I go to another level, I have my own mom relationship stuff that I have to release, because at this next level, this triggered me, but when I was at this level, something else different triggered me, right? And so as I release it and I move up, and it's like, oh, there's something else. You got to release it and move up. And that's what you need to be doing right now. Anything that is coming up in you, around you, if it is the environment, if it's the kids, if it's the people in the house, if it's your spouse, if it's family, If it's work, whatever it is, you need to examine what it is and release it. Do not let it stop you. Do not let it knock you off of your path. Just stay flexible, breathe, and get on. That's the reason that we have an alignment practice, right? And even if you've done it and you are not there yet, keep doing it. Go back and start over at the top of your list of whatever you do and keep working it till you feel relief. If you feel like shit, then you're not working to get happy. If you feel like shit, you're working to not feel like shit. And then you feel like, oh, I don't feel like shit, but I'm not motivated. Okay, now work to just feel good. Okay, I kind of feel all right. All right, now how can I feel better? Okay, how can I feel a little bit better, right? We don't go from the bottom step to the top step ever in one leap. We take the steps to get to where we're going, even in the house, even on your emotional scale. You need to be taking the steps, not thinking that you need to go from one to the other. And if you could just get to neutral, you will probably then be able to experience something that is satisfying. And look at what you did. Within a few hours' time, you have shifted out of not being aligned to alignment, right? And in that shifting process, you let go of whatever it was that had you off to begin with. So use this time to really start journaling deep, even things that don't seem like they apply or don't seem like they are associated. If they come up for you while you are working through this, you need to journal through it. You need to journal through it and start reframing those thoughts. So that is your lesson for today, is that you have to release in phases, and wherever you are and whatever is on you, start releasing, start peeling back the layers and just letting it go. And I will see all of you beautiful souls in the next video, which is about journaling.